Buying a car is exciting, and with so many models, options, and cool features to choose from, it's hard to know where to start, especially when you're imagining all the fun road trips you'll take in your new ride. A car is a big purchase and a big decision, but it doesn't have to be a daunting one. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you shop. Safety and reliability should be top of mind. Research your car's safety features and crash test results, as well as its predicted dependability and performance on the road over time. It's easy to fall in love on the dealer lot or get swayed by a smooth-talking salesperson. Know what you want and what you can afford before setting foot on the showroom floor. When establishing a budget, remember that your financial obligations don't end with your car loan. Include insurance, fuel costs, annual registration, routine maintenance and repairs when estimating total expenses. A car is a major purchase that often requires a sizable down payment. It can be helpful and motivating to set aside a dedicated car fund to help you save. A pre-owned vehicle is often more affordable and can help you avoid taking a big hit on depreciation. But things can get riskier financially if you buy a car that's outside the manufacturer's warranty. Leasing can get you into a new vehicle with a lower down payment, but when it's time to turn in the car and get a new one, you may have less to bring to the table in terms of resale or trade-in value. Haggling is a time-honored, though often dreaded, car buying tradition, so be prepared to negotiate. Luckily, consumers now have greater access to dealer costs online. Use this information to your advantage. Whether you secure a car loan on your own or through a dealership, it's important to understand all the terms, including the interest rate, monthly payments, and any late fees you may be charged. Do your homework and make an informed decision. By staying within your budget, you can enjoy the ride that much more and still have money left over for your first big road trip.